Welcome to the best picks. The best Hydrogel is probably one of the most advanced wound care solutions available today. These dressings create a moist environment, which is crucial for optimal healing. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Hydrogel wound dressings, exploring their benefits, how they work, and why they're a game changer for various types of wounds. Let's find out if this is the right choice for you. Number 5. Active Skin Repair Hydrogel, natural and non-toxic. This hydrogel utilizes the same safe and gentle molecule found in hospitals. It helps cleanse wounds, promoting faster skin recovery. This product is natural, non-toxic, and non-sensitizing. It contains no steroids, antibiotics, alcohol, or harsh chemicals. This is effective on cuts, rashes, and sunburns, and other skin irritations. It is like having a first aid kit in a bottle. This medical-grade skin solution acts quickly to provide relief. It supports the body's natural healing process. This product is HSA/FSA eligible. It is a powerful aid for your skin. What we like. This product utilizes hypochlorous acid, a gentle yet effective solution. It's doctor-recommended and clinically proven to aid in faster skin recovery. If you're looking for a natural and non-toxic option that's tough on germs and suitable for various skin irritations, this is a great choice. What people say. Within 2 days of using this product, the itching ceased and the burn is healing. It also reduced the swelling and redness of areas I scratched to point of, almost, no return. The next day they were healed tremendously. It's been 3 days and they're almost completely gone. Husband takes blood thinners, cut and scrapped hand really bad in 3 places and the wounds are healing in record time, not to mention 2 of the 3 wounds have 98% healed within 3 days. The deeper wound is 80% healed. Number 4. AMERIGEL Hydrogel Wound Dressing, 1 ounce. Are you looking for a way to help heal dry wounds? This product provides a moisture-rich environment. It's designed to promote healing and keep the wound hydrated. AMERIGEL Hydrogel has been the top choice for doctors since 2003. It's highly rated for its effectiveness in treating wounds after nail surgery. For nearly 20 years, it has been the top topical dressing for wounds and ulcers. The hydrogel turns into liquid at your body temperature, ensuring sustained moisture. This increased moisture creates the perfect conditions for your wound to heal effectively. This dressing keeps the area moist longer than other hydrogels. It is also safe for healthy tissue, so it won't cause any harm. First, clean the affected area. Then, apply a thin layer of it to the wound and the skin around it, once or twice a day. Finally, cover the area with a sterile bandage. This product is great for managing various types of wounds. It's suitable for pressure ulcers, stasis ulcers, diabetic skin ulcers, and skin irritations. It can also be used for cuts, abrasions, and skin irritation related to peristomal care. What we like. This hydrogel creates an ideal healing environment by providing sustained moisture. It's physician-rated and has been a top choice for wound care. If you have dry wounds or are looking for a product that promotes a moist healing environment, you should consider this. What people say. It does work slowly, but it works. After 3 months of regular use, skin began to fill in the hole. It feels nice and covers wounds well. It's a bit oily or sticky feeling but does soften scabs and protects, encouraging faster healing. Number 3. Bactine Max Hydrogel with Scar Defense. This advanced hydrogel technology helps create the perfect environment for your skin to heal. It speeds up the renewal of skin cells, allowing the wound to heal faster. The hydrogel creates a protective shield. This barrier helps to defend your skin against germs that could lead to infections. This product is made without antibiotics or steroids. It's also non-greasy, fragrance-free, paraben-free, petrolatum-free, and lanolin-free. It applies easily and starts working quickly. Forget about those messy ointments and balms that can sometimes irritate your skin. For more than 70 years, families have relied on this brand for their first aid needs. It's a trusted choice for effective wound care. What we like. This hydrogel utilizes advanced technology to speed up healing and protect your skin barrier. It's also free of unnecessary ingredients like antibiotics and steroids. If you like a product that promotes faster healing and protects against infection, this is a great option. What people say. It goes on smoothly, does not sting or irritate the skin. It does moisturize the skin and seems to make it less painful to bend the skin. This is what they call Hydrogel, and it is a very good product. Very healing and curative. I use it with a bandage and the wound looks better with each bandage change and reapplication. Number 2. 2 Tom Skin on Skin Hydrogel Squares. Are you tired of blisters and skin irritations? These squares offer immediate relief and protection. It's designed to keep you comfortable all day long. This product provides long-lasting protection against blisters and chafing. The formula is designed to keep your skin safe from various irritations. The hydrogel in this product hydrates and soothes your skin instantly. It's made with pure water to provide lasting skin protection. However, it's not meant for broken skin. These squares contain durable micromesh for long-lasting support. The hydrogel helps alleviate pain and aids in the healing process. Remember, it's for single use only. This product is hypoallergenic and latex-free. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. What we like. This product provides long-lasting blister relief and protection. It hydrates and soothes the skin instantly with its advanced hydrogel. If you are an athlete or someone prone to blisters and chafing, this product is designed for you. What people say. They provide instant relief and create a protective barrier that promotes healing without irritating the skin further. They cling to skin without tape or adhesive. They are moist, but not wet. Number 1. SilverSeal Hydrogel Pads with Ecstatic Silver. These SilverSeal Hydrogel pads are designed for minor wounds, cuts, and first-degree burns. They provide immediate pain relief and are clinically proven to reduce scarring. It's a great product to have on hand. Unlike some dressings, this one won't pull at the skin when removed. The hydrogel pads create a moist environment to aid in removing damaged tissue. This helps the healing process. These moisturizing pads are ready to use right out of the package. They are suitable for the whole family and designed to keep the wound moist. It's a convenient solution for burn and wound care. These sterile, latex-free pads contain the power of silver. They provide instant relief from sunburns and burns from various sources. It's a must-have for your first aid kit. Apply the pad directly to the wound, gel side down. Secure it with a bandage or wrap. Remember, it's designed for single use only. It is made in the USA. What we like. This product features ecstatic silver for enhanced healing and is clinically proven to reduce scarring. It creates a moist environment to aid in the removal of non-viable tissue. If you are looking for a product that provides immediate pain relief and is suitable for burns and wounds, this is the one. What people say. These 2x3 hydrogel pads are incredibly soothing and keep my wounds moist, which really speeds up the healing process. The ecstatic silver helps prevent infections, giving me peace of mind. The dressings are super easy to apply and remove without causing any pain, which is a huge plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.